South Carolina restaurant rats. So here in South Carolina, Charleston area, we're dealing with a lot of historical buildings, which makes it very, very challenging to hunt these rats down, especially when you have a major infestation. It's not going to be an easy one like these residential ones that we're typically going on, right, Jim?
Absolutely. We're definitely going to bring our Leroy, our rodent dog, in to help, because when you're dealing with restaurants, you got to remember we have a lot of heavy equipment. That's going to be a challenge in itself.
Looks like they got one right here. So this is, you can tell when you have an infestation, when you have these little juniors like this. So there's a lot going on in this restaurant, you guys. Guys, I just walked in that bathroom and there's rats just everywhere in that wall. So what we're gonna do is get a little creative here and figure out how we're gonna trap these rats so they don't get all over the restaurant. This is gonna be nuts. So we're gonna get some cardboard, cover this up right here so they don't jump out into the restaurant. The aluminum was just moving right here. Oh, this is gonna be good, guys. Woo! I got the chills. I got the chills. I normally don't get chills. So as you can see, guys, when we remove this piece of furniture, we opened up this recessed panel right here, and bam! They kicked out all this insulation on the floor. Protect all the floors. Let's go all the way across. Let's put this over here on this side. All right, as you can see, we put secured plastic here, so as we open up any rat droppings, insulation will go on our plastic. Then we roll this up, keeping the floor nice and clean. Okay, so we're outlining where we're gonna cut, which is above this plumbing area here. Excited, guys, to use our Makita. All right, we're gonna pull this drywall and go on. Here we go, guys. Come on, baby. Yeah, the runway right there. The runway right here. Look at this. Look at the smear marks, you guys. Let's see if I can get you that runway right there. Look at that. We're on to something. We're on to something. Some more nesting materials, rat droppings. Ooh, 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 ooh. We got some poo-poo. We got some poo-poo. Okay, guys, we got the smoke going. We were able to go down on the roof and identify this vent stack that terminates to the roof. That's where our smoke is. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Woo. Woo. All right, guys, so we're leading over here. There's no smoke yet, unfortunately. I'm really bummed about it. But you can see this is a major hot spot right here. So what I'm gonna do is, there's a runway here. I'm gonna get up in this area. We're gonna seal this off right now. This area right here, because I think they're coming through the runway here. So we'll seal this off right here and keep them contained in this wall right here. And I've got an idea, if they are coming from the lower part of this kitchen here, I've got an idea to trap them in, but not getting any smoke. There we go. Okay, so the reason why we're foaming this up is because we're opening up here. We don't want those rats to come up into the attic anymore. We want to contain them in this wall. Okay, we're getting through all this metal, drywall. All right, so you can see, got some more here. There's a lot of juveniles in this place. Big old flies. Leave your comments here if you would eat at this restaurant. Funny thing is, people don't even know that there's a rat infestation, so pretty scary. I don't know if I'm gonna ever eat at a restaurant again, right?
Goddamn right.
Pretty scary. Okay, so we're gonna set up our rat trap here. You can see the big difference between what we use. And the reason why we use these self-contained traps right here, again, it's one of our twin tower traps. They come in here, bam, right into our holding tank. I'm gonna bait it here. But look at the difference. You don't have to deal with all the flies and all the nastiness of these rats laying up into your place, whether it's your house, whether it's a restaurant, especially a restaurant. I mean, having this and attracting all of the flies and bacteria and the odor, not with the twin tower trap. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these almonds here that they're used to, and we're gonna put them in our feeder. Get that aroma just going. I'm gonna spread them out a little bit, tease them a little bit, and then we'll set this up in the kitchen area where it's more active there. Shut this bad baby. So they come in through here, then they climb up, come in through here, and then bam, right there. Yeah, so we're gonna set it up right here in this room right here. and then put it over here on this side, because this is where all the meat is cut, right? Toda la carne es cortada aquí. Okay. So we have to protect all of this meat right here.
The next day.
Okay guys, back at the restaurant here. Let's go in and check the trap and see how many rats we got. Hey Jim, look at this. We got actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God. Look at that. Bam. That's it.
One of the biggest issues here is leaving food source like this. Let me show you exactly what's in this prep room right here. Big no-no when it comes to rats.
I want my bacon. I gotta tell you something. Bacon is good for me.
So we're just waiting for Leroy's change of behavior. What Leroy is looking for is live rats. He is on a hunt for live, hot-blooded rats. And that's what we want, to be able to also do that, eradicate this restaurant from any remaining rats, but also the biggest thing is to find those entry points where those rats are coming in. That's our big goal today, is to bring this job to a final closure.
There's something back in here.
Yeah, he's getting something right here.
He's onto something.
I should be putting him up in the ceiling here, but there's a lot of activity. It's pointing that the rats are migrating from above and then coming down, because we're not seeing any holes here. Let's get his nose up in the ceiling here. Oh, look at him, he's getting aggressive. I think we got a live rat.
Get it.
Oh, we got it, yes! Good job, good boy. Get him. Get away? Check. He's gotta be here. Oh, there's a dead one right there.
Okay.
Oh, he's got it. Where'd he go?
Maybe we found a hole.
Where'd he go?
Right here, and I bet you there's a hole.
Is there a hole?
I bet you there's a hole right there.
Jimmy,
He
there is
disappeared.
no way that rat got away right now. There's no way. Something's up above. Something's up above.
Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy.
There's a rat in the wall, right?
Around the wall. There's a rodent in that wall.
Oh, wow.
That's gross.
So something is in that wall. If you notice Leroy up, change of behavior. So now we're about to open it up and see if Leroy's right. All right, so we opened up this wall and Leroy was absolutely right. Look at the chew marks in the drywall. So let's get Leroy back up here now, Dave, that the wall's open.
Oh, we're pulling up right there. There's something in there.
It's that ceiling, you guys. That ceiling's all wide open under there. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna put Leroy in the ceiling right below that area. There's something going on there. We believe that the draft is coming up and that's what he's sniffing out, so. Put him in the ceiling, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, Leroy. Here. Check. Oh, he's sniffing something here. Call him, Kim. Right up in here, you guys. Oh, he's way up in here. Uh-oh. Look at him, you guys. He's way up in here. He's going to you. Keep calling him. Keep calling him. Okay, he's back over there on that side. Oh, it's all kinds of rat shit, too. We gotta get him some water. Good boy, Leroy. Good boy. So we did open this up. Somebody foamed this and I chipped it back, and look at this. Look at the leak, and it's going inside the wall right here. Look at that. All right, so now we've got Leroy. Let's see if he sniffs out that back door, which we've always been concerned about. Check, 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 check. Good boy, good boy. Plenty of room for a rat to get through, for sure. That's the door. Hey, check, check. Leroy. Here, go get him. Leroy. Get him. Get him, get him, get him. Get him. Get him.
Atta boy. Atta boy.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Dead. 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 Thank you.
Got it. Little pup. Man, that Leroy got that little junior. That was awesome. Leroy, check, check. Leroy, Leroy. Leroy, go get him. Oh, Leroy. Leroy. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's all over here. Yeah. He is all over. Dave. Yeah. Leroy is all over right here, bro. He doesn't stop. He wants to get in that wall, you guys see? Look at that. Inside this wall. Okay, Leroy. No. Leroy. He wants to go in there. There's something in there. There's definitely something in this wall. Here, Jimmy, he wants to go back. He knows there's something in there. So you can see right there how Leroy was concentrating his behavior, attack, hunting. So we're gonna have to really open up that wall and see what's inside there. Something is going on there. So there's a rat behind this 3-compartment sink. Check it out. Check, 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 right there. Check, check, check. You ran, you ran.
Over there.
You ran, Jim.
He's right there, he's right there, he's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Rusty got away.
Well, guys, definitely bringing this job to a final close. Very impressed with Leroy going through all of that equipment and flushing those rats out. One of the biggest lessons that we've learned here, keep those doors shut. Make sure that all of the doors have that seal so those rats don't get into your restaurant, because look at the amount of time that it took. Those rats were sneaking right in, caused that major infestation. That's something that can be very, very costly if you don't do that. Well, guys, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching this episode. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.